Hi! In this video, I am going to show you how to create a text rotator. Text rotator is a feature introduced in OxyPowerPack, version 1.0.5, and allows you to set an array of words or phrases to rotate, allowing to communicate different ideas with a single paragraph. For this example, I am creating a call to action section. I already have the section with a background image, and I'll add a columns component just to make some space on the right. Now, I am going to add a heading component and set its color to white. It will be the component that will hold the rotator effect. Also, I'm adding a button, but I won't add any functionality. It will be there just to make the call to action more complete. Now, let's imagine that this guy is a mathematician and a psychologist, a total genius. And he wants that a single paragraph explains all he can do. This will be the main paragraph, and with the text rotator feature, we will be able to animate a part of it, swapping the words with a typewriter effect. The text rotator effect is bound to span elements. So, to make a portion of the paragraph to rotate, we have to select it, and use this button to wrap it with a span component. Now, in the structure panel, we have a span component, containing our selected words, inside the heading component. Be very careful, because working with span components in Oxygen Builder is dangerous. If you delete an inner span component, it can make you lose the entire heading. Make sure you save your document constantly. Having the span component selected, you will find this button in the left toolbar. Click on it, and it will show a window, where you will be able to write the additional words, to rotate between them. You can write as many words or phrases as you want. See a complete list or delete any of them. That's it. The span component will rotate over all the words or phrases we just configured. Let's save the document and see the result in front end. It looks fantastic. The feature will be improved in future versions, allowing you to configure the animation and timing. Thank you very much for watching.